All right, so today we are going to talk about hydroboration and oxymercuration. So with both of these reactions, we are going to start with an alkene. So if you don't remember what an alkene is, it's a carbon chain with a double bond. So we're going to go from an alkene to an alcohol. And so we're basically adding the alcohol where the double bond used to be. So we're adding a alcohol either to the left side of where the double bond used to be or to the right side of where the double bond used to be. So depending on if we're doing hydroboration or oxymercuration is where that OH would actually go. So with hydroboration, we are going to get the OH on the right side of our double bond. So hydroboration is anti-Mark. So we're going to do an anti-Mark addition, or anti-Mark is short for anti-Markovnikov, which just means that it's adding to the carbon that is less substituted. So what does it mean when a carbon is less substituted? So if we look at these two carbons right here, the ones that I'm marking with the arrow. So if we look at these two carbons right here, we can see that this carbon, the right carbon of our double bond, has less things coming off of it, right? Because we only have the things to the left of it coming off of this carbon. But if we look at the carbon to the left of our double bond, we have the stuff to the left coming off of it, plus we have the stuff to the right coming off of it. So our anti-Mark is the carbon with less things coming off of it. And then our Mark would be this carbon, which is the carbon with more things coming off of it. And so for oxymercuration, we would get our Mark addition. So Mark is again short for Markovnikov. So it would be our carbon with more things coming off of it. So we have, okay, so for oxymercuration, we have our Mark addition. So that is, Mark is short for Markovnikov. So it's our carbon that is more substituted. Okay, so for hydroboration, we are going to add alcohol to the carbon where it is less substituted. And for oxymercuration, we are going to add the alcohol where the carbon is most substituted. And this is all in relation to our double bond. So we're talking about just our double bond here.